What do you think, Sarge? Huh? What do you think, boy? Where'd all that snow come from? He thought he was going to get out in the snow. That's the grill. It's covered. That's the picnic table. I'll get down here. The snow's as tall as Sarge is. Yeah, boy. It's not deep in it. I guess he's trying to make himself a path. He probably has to go boo-boo. This looks like there's somebody on top of the picnic table with snow on top of them. I don't know if we can see down into the park or not. Uh-oh, where'd Sarge go? He went down there by that bush. He didn't want to go poo-poo in front of me. What do you think of that, buddy? Huh? What you think of that? You ready to go in? Yeah, buddy. Alright, so I'm standing in the garage. This is what the cars look like. Yep. You can see it's up like 3/4 of the way up the tires. See if I can show you the smoker. The smoker's covered with snow. I guess we're not doing any barbecue today. Pretty deep. And it's still coming down pretty hard, man. You can see over in front of Brian's house, man, it's just piled up with snow. That looks pretty cool there. His little fancy tree all covered up with snow and ice. But it's not stopping. Right there's my rose bush, just about an inch of it, 2 inches of it sticking out. So, pretty deep. So it's close to going on 17 inches right now. Yeah, buddy. Sitting in the snow. what it looks like outside of the back door garage. Look at all the snow on that bush, man. You already saw out here from the other angle. But just on this bench alone, look at the snow. That's crazy, man. My garden's right there, but it's dormant right now.